Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to explain the reasons why your phone may not be connecting to your Tesla Model 3. Now there are 5 common reasons why this happens, but typically this is going to be related to the Bluetooth on your phone or on the car not establishing a connection with each other. So with that said, this video should only be a couple minutes, but by the end of it, you should have your phone connected back up to your Tesla Model 3. Jumping right into it, the first reason, this is the most common reason why your phone is not connecting to your Tesla, that is because the Tesla mobile app on your phone is not correctly running in the background. So essentially what happens here is the Tesla app is supposed to be always running on the background of your phone. This means that whenever you walk up to your Tesla, the proximity of you being close to your Tesla picks up on the Bluetooth signal and knows that you're there and unlocks the car and essentially connects the app to the car. However, sometimes there is an error where the phone does not run in the background, so it doesn't know that you are close to the car, therefore not connecting the Bluetooth. The simple fix here is to go into your phone and manually open up the Tesla app. If that doesn't work, close your phone, open it again, and then open the Tesla app. This should instantly fix it, but if not, there are a couple other reasons. Now, the second reason that I've run into over the last few years is for some reason the Tesla app logs you out. Now, I'm not sure why this happens, but as with all technology, sometimes it has errors, so it should go without saying, but check your Tesla app just to make sure that you can log in and have full access, and it didn't automatically log you out of the app for some reason. If this does happen, just log back into your Tesla app, and that should fix the problem. Now, the third reason why your phone may not be connecting to your Tesla Model 3 is because the settings for your Tesla smartphone app are not set properly. So when you go into the settings on your phone and you scroll down to the Tesla app, this is what those settings should look like. If any of these switches are different on yours or not enabled fully, you'll want to set it to this, and that was likely the cause of why your phone was not connecting to your Tesla Model 3. Now, the next reason that your smartphone may not be connecting to your Tesla is because the Tesla smartphone app needs to be updated. What this means is go into your app store, type in Tesla, find the app, and if you have an update available, just go ahead and click that button to update your app to the most recent version. Now, once you re-download the app and re-log in, this is likely going to fix the issue, but this is general good practice to keep your Tesla smartphone app up to the most recent version. So if none of these fixes have worked quite yet, there is one more option that you can do. That would be soft rebooting your Tesla. Now, don't worry, this only takes about a minute and you don't need to have any experience. Anyone can do this, you just hold a couple buttons. Now, before I show you how to do this, essentially all this is going to do is all of your settings, everything that you have set in your Tesla will remain the same. Nothing's going to happen besides it's going to power your car down and then reset all of the electronics. So in order to do a soft reboot on your Tesla Model 3, all you have to do is put your Tesla into park and then hold the brake down and then press in and hold both of these scroll wheels on the steering wheel for at least 10 seconds. Now, after holding these scroll wheels and the brake in for about 10 seconds, the touchscreen will go black and that will initiate the soft reboot. Then all you have to do is wait about a minute and the Tesla logo will come back onto the screen and the screen will come back as normal and the soft reboot will be completed. Once you've done this, then try to connect your phone again and hopefully that will resolve the issue. Now, just one more reason that may help some of you out there on why my phone hasn't connected to my Tesla Model 3 in the past is because I had my phone in my back pocket when I was walking up to my car trying to get in, and the Bluetooth for some reason couldn't get through me, so I would have to turn around or pull my phone out of my pocket, and then the car would unlock for me. So keep that in mind if you're wearing a bathing suit or something like that where you have your phone in your back pocket as opposed to your front. That could be the reason. Alright guys, hopefully this video has helped you. If it did, please leave a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.